student, today we are going to see Maths of Standard 5th from Term 2. The unit we are going to discuss is patterns. In this unit, we are going to study how the angles of patterns and words of patterns are arrived. Come, let us move to the video session.
Today we are going to see Maths of Standard 5th from Term 2. The unit name is Patterns. In the Term 1, we have studied patterns and how they are used in various types. These are the designs which we can use in a patterns. Patterns are used in various types like chess, otherwise it can be in a triangle shape, square shape, oval shape. Any forms of shapes is called also patterns. It comes one by one, that is called as patterns. We have already studied in a term 1. In this lesson we are going to see how we are going to use the patterns in a angles. Children, we have already studied what is angles. Let us recall what are the types of angle. First one, zero angle. Zero angle means the angle always equal to 0 degree. If you keep the protector, it always denotes that as 0. Second one, acute angle. Acute angle means it is less than 90 degree. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 89, below 90, that is called as acute angle, less than 90 degree. Third one, right angle. That is, right angle means it is always equal to 90 degree. If you keep the protector, it is always equal to 90 degree. It is called as right angle. Fourth one is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means between 90 and 180. That is above 90 degree, below 180 degree. That is called as obtuse angle. The last one is straight angle. It is always equal to 180 degree. We have a protector for 180 degree. That is always called as straight angle. Children, observe the angle and find the vertex of following shapes. Yes, you all know what shape is this. Yes, this is an triangle. But we are going to find the angles. This is an equatorial triangle. It has how many corners? It has 3 corners. The other name for corner is vertex. Yes. Now let us observe what are the angles are found in this. It has 3 angles formed as 3 vertices. That is, each corner you can see that blue color angles. That is called as angle. The angles are equal and measured to the 60 degree. How many degree? It is 60 degree. Is 3 into 60 equal to 180 degree. That is, we can get that straight angle. Straight angle we already studied. Straight angle is equal to 180 degree. If you take 60 into 3, that is equal to 180. So the equatorial triangle is equal to 180 degree. That is called straight angle. Let us find the angle for the hexagon using the equatorial triangle. We have already seen that equatorial triangle is. This is called hexagon. Hexagon means it always have 6 sides. How many sides? 6 sides. It always have 6 vertex and 6 sides. But in triangle we have only 3 sides. But in hexagon we have 6 sides. That is called hexagon. Children, we shall find the angles of hexagon using equatorial triangle. Take a scale and draw the hexagon. First, you have to mention there is a 6 sides are there. After drawing the hexagon from the center, if you note that, you will get a circle. If you see in this figure, which is shown on the slideshow, if you see in the figure, you will get 6 angles in the center. That means you will get each triangle and the triangle will be 6. Yes. From the center, if you note that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles will be there. Yes. Each 60, if you add everything, you will get 360 degree. That means 6 6 are 36. As you all know, then 60 degree into 6. If you put, you will get 360 degree. That is, the angle at the center of hexagon is 360 degree. This is also an angle of a circle. If you mention the angle, you always get the 360 degree. If you take a protractor, the both the sides are equal to one circle. 180 plus 180 equal to 360. That only they have mentioned here. The whole hexagon is equal to 360 degree. Children, let us learn the angle for the square. The angle of the circle is 360 degree. We have already studied in an equatorial triangle and hexagon, that is, the circle is equal to 360 degree. Now let us learn how to find the angle for the square using a circle. Place the four square as shown in the figure. Now what you are going to do is, if you place the four square, you will get a circle in the center. That is, the shape formed at the center is a circle. You all know, isn't it? Is the angle of the circle is 360 degree. Now, how we are going to find the square? Let us see. 360 degree divided by 4, we will get the answer 90 degree. That is right angle. Is each angle, if you divide, you will get the sharp 90 degree. 90, 90, 90, 90. That means 490 is equal to 360. 360 divided by 4 equal to 90 degree. Then we will get the answer 1 square of the part is equal to 90 degree. Okay, can you understand, children? Children, let us find out how the clock shows the hour and the minute with the help of angles. You already know what is right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, zero angle, everything. Yes. Let us find out everything. First one shows 3 o'clock. What angle is that? Yes, it is right angle. Always keep the protector with you when you are measuring the angles. Yes. First one shows right angle. The second one shows 180 degree. That is called as straight angle. Is the angle itself they have given there. The third one, again it is 9 o'clock, that is shows right angle. The fourth one, it shows 2 o'clock, that is acute angle, less than 90 degree. Fifth one, that is 12 o'clock, zero angle. Because if you keep the protectors, always shows zero angle. Yes. Then last one, that is 7 o'clock, it shows obtuse angle above 90 degree. That is called obtuse angle. Children, in your home, you have to do with the help of a protector and draw the clock in your note and find out the angles. Children, this is also an example for patterns. Collection of words ending with ENT. First one, went, sent, bent, rent and tent. This is also a pattern. Not only the design, styles, etc. This is also a words which ends with ENT is also called as pattern. The second one, if you seen, the word is end with GHT. Night, light, right, bright and might. This is also a pattern. The next one, coat, boat and goat. This is also a kind of pattern. The last one is red, bed and wed. The things which has a, we will always say it is, this is called a rhyming word. This is also called as patterns. Children, this is a small activity that ending with IN and AIL to make a pattern from the words. Here I have given a circle. From that you will get a first letter word and the circle which is there in the center, that is IN. You have to make a connection and write it in their dashes. That is called as your activity to make a words pattern. That is, for example, the first one I'll tell for you, B. The letter, capital letter is B. The center I have given the word IN, that is BIN, that is called bin. It is called as word pattern. Like this you have to make a whole thing. Yes, I hope you all understood about the word pattern and the angles of pattern. Thank you, students.